looking good, actually. Thank you. He hasn't been able to walk because he's not allowed to for insurance purposes. Welcome back to TmezTv. Today we are at City Speedway. We got the Midget, and then we also got the sprint car. They've been talking the whole time, so I haven't been able to do much camera footage, but double USAC show, sprint cars and midgets. It doesn't get much better than that. As always, thanks for watching the channel. It's going to be a short night because I'm going to be driving a lot of the night. So got the cameras on the car, and we'll get you out there.
Follow USAC Racing on Twitter and Instagram.
With USAC, the turnaround is really quick. They run practice, and as soon as the fourth practice set is done, they are pushing off the first car. So there was no time for chit-chat. Like, let's go qualify at Gas City.
Tmez's car, that's Tmez, Thomas Mesro, out of San Jose, California. Viral Fabric, Spots Management Services, Ziegler Machine, number 7X, coming around here for lap number 1, opening lap. Going to be fourth quick on the field, 12.608, 12.608. He's got her 100 into the dirt, through the corner. Then sets back on its haunches, very nice down turn number 1, 2, second effort coming across. Better goes third quick at 12.331, 12.331.
Just got done qualifying the Midget, and we were 9th quick, so not terrible. The car was kind of jumping on me, but we were the first group, and the thing just lost stagger.
Missing from your resume on the 2023 season is a win with an Austrian drink.
All right, it's almost heat race time in the Midget. We put a little bit more stagger on it. Track is so hammered down. We're just kind of leaving it alone. It's an interesting track because I just got out of the sprint car, and the track has been, it was kind of slicking off on the top, and then the bottom was greasy, and now in the heat races, the bottom's the place to be, and they're just kind of making the top dirty. done with the heat race in the Midget, and the Midget is ripping so hard. Oh, I just gave that one away. The thing was just blowing the tires off of 2, and I just couldn't get the thing to come off of 2. Terrible in 3 and 4, but in 1 and 2, but I was so good in 3 and 4. We ended up running second, but we're gonna start 11th, which isn't terrible. So yeah, as always, thanks for watching TmezTv. Don't forget to go like and subscribe, and go check out. Here, let me. Go check out Witt's RC Racing products if you're interested in some RC Racing products, and if not, go check out Chop Tmez for a hat, or CSI shocks, or MSP mounts, or everybody that helps me out. Thank you so much, RMS Racing, Kyle, Dave, everybody back at the shop.
The bottom, and I was like, well, I'm gonna see if I can make anything happen up above them. There's a lot more grip there in the middle than I thought there was. It got to his back bumper. Tried to get off him as quick as I could, and it looked like he was able to at least keep going and hopefully make it through that gear. So, sorry, those guys certainly wasn't
coming along.
Perfect wax.
Good, it's going good.
One more time, the defending national champion reclaims the points lead in TJ4 seat race number 3.
The toughest parts of TmezTv is dealing with the GoPros, mounting them, downloading footage. I'm a one-man band, and I'm really there to drive race cars. I do this YouTube channel on the side, kind of discreetly, and on this night my camera did not work, so I used some of Flo's footage. Go check those guys out.
And up front, looking to pick up the win here tonight, the James Dean Classic. It's going to be Logan Seavey victorious. Jacob Denny's going to go second. And back in the number 3 spot is going to be the 81 of Brian Wiedemann. Wiedemann able to race on through. Good finish for the number 81 car. Pursley goes 4th. Justin Grant falls back to 5th. Then it's Mesrall, Kofoid all the way back up to 7th for the 67K car.
USAC National Sprint Cars go down to Lawrenceburg Speedway, and that's a $20,000 win.
Might have been a little free on air.
$30,000 win. If you can win it, you're outside.
Well, that was the horn for the sprint car, but we just got out of the Midget, and man, we came from 11th to 6th, which doesn't sound like much, but at Midgets, that is awesome. So, super pumped. The EA Stealth was ripping. Oh. All right, I gotta go. Oh, well, I had to earn that. Starting 11th, they took 6th, we got to 5th, we got to 4th, and I was about to run over 2nd and 3rd, but I was good on top, and you know, we kind of got snuck by at the end there, but we're in the show, so that's all that matters. The coolest hauler in the entire pit area, right there.